Hello everyone, welcome back to Hard Reset channel. In today's video I want to show you how you can check for software update in OPPO Find X6. So first, go to settings and then you need to scroll all the way down until you see system and update, and now click it. Here click on software update, and here it will automatically check for updates, and if there are some, then you can click the update button right here. As you can see, we can restart the phone now, so we can download the update, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.